Okay, so today I took a loss on volatility 75 and I decided to record how that loss happened. All right. This one was not a manipulation. It was clear that market was going to do what it did, but I was blinded. All right. So let me try and share my screen. Good. So it was a volatility 75 trade. All right, let me see where it is. Volatility 75. Here is it. So this asset has been very bearish. It's been selling. Okay. And then I saw something very interesting on the weekly time frame, which is a weekly CRT. Okay. So I had this key level here. The chart is still loading. Just hold on for me. So I had that key level. Oh, this thing freezing so much. I need to restart or update. Okay, so sorry about that. Where were we? Okay, so I was on the volatility 75 trade, right? Okay, so uh, all right, so I saw market come to this key level, hit this breakup block area last week and close as what? A doji candle, which gives me a CRT inside of a key level, a fair value gap, and then a breakup block area. So I was thinking we were going to sell right away after we have formed this. So you mark the new week open and then expect price to trade up, all right, into some PDRA, and then you begin to sell down. We are still in a downtrend, but currently price is giving us a bullish move. All right. But I was so blinded by this CRT that I didn't want to miss. So I kept on timing it on the lower time frame. All right. And this is what happened on the lower time frame. On the daily time frame, you could see the daily CRT form and then sell. And then on the 1 hour, so I was just looking forward to sell. Yesterday, I thought we were going to sell from here, which we didn't from this block. All right, so we had a small sell and prices reversing to the upside. So this whole supply zone has been violated now. So we are getting a clear break of structure to the upside. But today I went to the 30 minutes and I saw a certain setup there on the 30 minutes. So I decided to take that trade. All right, so I saw a supply zone here on the 15 minutes rather. And then I marked this guy as my liquidity. Okay. So you see, obviously, what market did, all market did was it started selling. I didn't do any confirmation entry. It started selling from there and I was excited. So I got in once I saw the wicks being rejected from that place. And then we had a small sell up to this zone and then boom, markets went right away. Now, let me share with you on the other screen what happened here for the buy continuation. Uh, on the 4 hour, I think the 4 hour is still bullish. Okay. The 4 hour is still bullish. We are respecting this demand zone here. So 4 hour has failed to give us a market structure shift, which is quite obvious. So I ignored that. That was the error. All right. That was the error. So let me share a different screen. That was the error. Now, after market had taken me out, um, after market had taken me out, I did reanalysis to see why I lost that trade. And I could tell that here there was a clear break of structure here. All right. And then market left behind a bullish fair value gap. So this candle became a CRT candle. And this candle went and purged the high. Once the high had been purged, this is external range liquidity. Price must come back to internal range liquidity. And that was this fair value gap. And as soon as price started, we had a weak rejection, forming another CRT with this candle here. So this candle open was actually a bullish entry, which I didn't see. All right. Which I didn't see. So, and the three open. And the three open. It traced down a bit and then expanded higher. And that was how come I saw my stop loss being taken. So I took a loss and I learned the lesson right there. I was trying to go against the current trend, and that is how come my bearish setups are failing. So that is the summation here. I want to keep it in my archive so that I can learn. That is the summary here. We had a clear break of structure here. External range liquidity. Price decided to build up some consolidation here by creating some more liquidity here. And we have this CRT candle. And then we had an inside bar. Then this candle purged the liquidity at the top and then closed back as a bearish candle. Then the next candle opened, traded back down into this draw on liquidity. And then there was that rejection. So this is a double purge. This one purged the high, this one purged the low, or mitigated the buy side. And that was it. So I'll be looking for buy continuation, at least from this fair value gap. From this fair value gap. So if price is to return, I would expect another move to the upside. Okay. So that is it. That is it. That is it. For volatility 75. Thank you. This has been easy for us. If you like the video, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you.